Hello and welcome to this second update of Lost with Colum, my personal video blog that runs as a side series to my Cooking with Colum channel that brings you guys along the journey with me as I lose weight and get fitter. Now, recapping on this past week, it's been a bad week for food. I don't know why, but I just went off the rails a bit. Of the 7 days, 6 of them were off plan, which is just dreadful. Some of those days were worse than others. Some of them were mostly on plan with a bit off at the end. Some of the other days were completely off plan and I just ate horrifically bad for me things. During these days I've had low energy levels. I attribute it mostly to the food, but I've also had high stress levels. I've been dealing with some side contracts. I've been dealing with the prospects of moving house, the money issues that brings along with it, and just a lot of other personal things that have just been adding stress to my week and have been making it hard for me to focus on staying on plan. I need to change that, and that's what I'm focusing on this week. That said, it was a good week for activity. I got in 36,681 steps over 24 kilometers, displayed here. Though that's slightly under what I'm aiming at each week of 25 kilometers, that's still pretty good, especially 2 weeks running. I had most of the week a running average of 27 kilometers, but it fell apart on Sunday as I had a lot of stuff to do that required me being in the house and being fairly stationary, which meant I couldn't get out and do some more walking, and it brought my average down a bit. I spent some time walking along the Stratford Road again in Wolverton. I'm going to put some pictures up of that now on screen for you. I took some more pictures this week, and it was a sunnier day this time that I went for the walk, so some of the pictures came out looking a lot better. Some of them are just of the area, road, buildings, but there's also some beautiful fields, some old buildings, some old churches, which I thought looked really nice and I thought I would share with you. Then one of my walks took me around the OU campus. I work at the Open University, and I'm now displaying those pictures on screen now for you. The Open University campus is an amazing place. It is filled with greenery and art and amazing architecture, and hopefully you can see some of that in the pictures I've taken for you this week. I'll aim to take different pictures around the area for you. The campus itself is also surrounded by parkland, so when I start going for longer walks during my daily walks, I'll be able to show you some of the imagery from those as well. This week marked me restarting Slimming World, which is why I'm also bringing you this video today rather than on the weekend, because I'm going for my weigh-ins on Tuesday, which means I can bring you my updated weights today on a Wednesday. So, big reveal. I lost 3 pounds since my last personal weigh-in. As far as Slimming World is concerned, it is me restarting, so I'm starting at 30 stones and 3 pounds. I'll be displaying breakdown in stones, pounds and kilograms on screen for those that prefer them in different mediums. This will be the last of my personal weigh-ins. When you're on Slimming World, the idea is that you only weigh in once a week at group on their scales, because their scales are calibrated to a very fine degree, and when you're weighing yourself on different scales, they might be configured differently, so you might be getting different weights. So it can be disheartening if you weigh yourself on one and you're a pound or two up when you're actually about the same weight, or possibly even lower according to the Slimming World scales. So that's why you use one medium, and it basically keeps you in check and gives you a better idea of where you are. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm only going to be weighing in using Slimming World scales, and so the updates on my weight will come on Wednesdays. That includes in my blog as well. I won't be posting any weight updates through the week. The starting out a new group also has me feeling very motivated. I met with my consultant, who is a lovely lady. The group itself feels very nice. I haven't really met anyone yet, but I took my son along with me, and he's an active little toddler, just about over 1.5 years old, and he's running around, getting into things, and nobody minded. People were helping out, stopping him from escaping, making sure that he was entertained, handing him stuff. It was generally a good experience. I got a good vibe from the place. No one seemed annoyed at his presence, which was good, and I feel very confident that this group is going to be a good one for me. So looking forward to heading back there next week and seeing how I do. So this week the plan is to be, for the most part, 100% on plan. Saturday's probably going to be an off day because I've got a game night planned, but I'll try and be good through the day leading up to that to minimise damage. And yeah, we'll see how things go. Okay, I think that's everything for tonight. I'm feeling a bit tired today, so I might get an early night. It's been all a stressful night, and I'll catch you guys later. Take care and have a good night.